Hello and welcome to the Virtual Grooming. My name is Jack, your host, and today I'm bringing you another shaving video. I am in a different setting once again. I am in San Diego right now. If you hear any background noise, just understand that I'm in Pacific Beach. Pacific Beach is a pretty crazy place. There's quite a lot going on consistently. But yeah, just a caveat. What I'm going to be using in this video, I need to thank Shaving with Chief. If you haven't checked out Shaving with Chief, or Chief Shave, Shaving with Chief Corey, as I know him, you probably should. Great channel, speaks very well. I respect him a lot. He lent me this. He lives in San Diego. This is Declaration Grooming After the Rain. The scent on this to me is very nice, but I don't understand why it could be called After the Rain. I wish my atmosphere smelled like this after the rain, because for me it smells of really almost gourmandy lemon cookies. It's very, very nice though, and that is what I'm going to be using today with the Karve SBD plate. This is the same Wizmet, man. I've been using that all along, and we're going to be using the Mervyn Cadman brush, which I'm shaking out. Here it is. So I told you that this had a V5 tip knot. I was wrong. This has a V3 tip knot, which is why I said, this reminds me a bit of the V3 tip knot. So let's get a load on here. For anyone that knows Milksteak, Milksteak is pretty soft. You need to be quite careful with it. So we're just gonna get a good load here, and we're just gonna go from there. Yeah, it's just like this. It's just like a lemon cookie smell. Like, it's nothing out of the, well, I mean, after the rain, I expect like the smell of damn, something like that. But hey, man, this smells fantastic, so I can't complain. Let's get a good load up here, and we'll get to lathering, guys. So how are all of you? I'm doing very well. The weather in San Diego just makes me happy. It's warm without being too warm. I like the people. Yeah, dude, there's definitely a lemon cookie thing going on. If anyone's ever smelled this, tell me what you think, because I think it smells of lemon cookies. Get a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna walk this off to Corey. I spent a good evening with Corey and his girlfriend yesterday. It was a very, very nice evening. Great people, great food, really good beer. I couldn't have really asked for more, quite honestly. He's a great guy, and he's become a very good friend of mine, so good times were had. Okay, let's get to lathering up here. I'm gonna wet the face. Being in San Diego, it's pretty hard water, so I'm using filtered water to lather today. Why am I doing that? Because I can. Ain't nothing wrong with any filtered water, so. Okay. Got our brush here. Got a hair melter. Yep, lemon cookies. I know I'm probably going to repeat that a few more times. If you don't like the lemon cookie comment, I suggest you prepare for that right now. Okay, let's use some of the water inside the brush. There's quite a bit. I can feel it. So we're just using all of that residual water, because there's quite a bit in here. Use that, and then we'll start adding our own. Yeah, we had a good evening. Some beer, some really good food. Just absolutely no complaints from me. Very good people. So yeah, it's weird because smelling this, I kind of get it. It's hard to say. There is a lemon, there's a citrusy thing going on, and I don't know how citrus can convert to post-rain. I mean, maybe I'm an idiot, but for anyone that smelt the scent, I'd like your opinion. I mean, it's a lovely scent, but I just wouldn't say it's after the rain, quite frankly. It's pretty interesting. So all I'm doing here is lightly dipping the tips in a mug of filtered water. Very nice. Let's do the lines here. You might hear some banging. One of the units that I'm staying by is being remodeled, so hear a bit of banging. But that's okay. I hope you forgive me. Man. Yeah, this is a lovely scent, guys. I'm not even exaggerating here. It's really nice. It's clean, but ultimately it's citrusy. I mean, there's no complaints from me. It's really good. I actually gave this soap away. I gave this soap to Chris Madden. I did have it at one point. Still a little bit wet, so we're going to paint a bit of water in, and then we'll get to Shea room. Okay. Just pretty much just sprinkling some water on the brush here. Get a little bit more water addition into the lather. I hope you guys can see me well. I'm a bit difficult with dealing with my lack of regular video space, but I use a tripod. I don't use a sucky thing on a mirror, mainly because I can move the tripod around and kind of do what I want with it. That's kind of why I use that. I mean, I'd understand why you'd use like a sucky thing on a mirror, but it's, I've always used this. It's always worked for me. A bit more water here. There we go. And I think we're good. Very, very nice. I'm going to put Shaving with Chief's channel in the description if you haven't watched any of his videos. I recommend you do. Carve D-plate, Wismet blade, let's go. Very nice. Milksteak really is good. The more I use it, the better I dial it in. I don't think I told you, I went to see Max. I might have told you. Mr. Spracker. What a lovely guy. I mean, I've been to see him before. I picked up my first The Dark Angel Wing abalone razor from him. If you don't know who I'm talking about, Max Spracker. Normally people with that level of skill in something are big-headed. Not him. He's very, very humble. Very, very likable dude. I recommend anyone that picks up a razor or buys a razor from him, if you're able, go pick it up. It's an experience in itself, in my opinion. He'll give you the time of day. He's just a good guy. Ridiculous slickness. Man, oh man. Once again, thank you, Shaving with Chief, for lending me this set. This was a bit of an impromptu trip to San Diego, so I didn't bring much stuff with me. And I like to use new shit most of the time, so thanks to him, I was able to use this. And it's lovely, actually. I mean, I kind of regret getting rid of it now. Because the one I sent Mr. Madden, it was unused. No, it's perfectly fine. I think Chris has enjoyed that. Cool, okay. Let's go cross grain here with the Karve D plate. Really light pressure. That's the key, there's slightly more positive blade exposure. So it's about knowing your tools. Very nice. How does that feel? Let's have a look. Well, I spray water everywhere. A little bit here. And then we'll go kind of up on the sideburns, just clean them up a bit, and we're good, I think. Okay. Okay, I think that's a lot. Made quite the mess of the sink. Let's get the all of this soap from the brush. There's quite a lot here. Let me get this on the face, do my face wash, and I will see you guys for the post shave. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, post shave time. Let's have a bit of a feel around. Immediate post on this is just very, very good. So we are using the matching splash, also supplied by Shaving with Chief. Let's get this off. Let's get a good plug of this. Wow, dude, that's such a nice scent. Honestly, it is. It's very, once lathered, it loses quite a lot of that gourmand-esque scent to me. It turns very clean, actually, and I very much like it. So let's do a recap of what I used today, and I'm gonna let you guys go. So I used Declaration Grooming after the rain. Remarkable. I actually really like this, and once again, thank you to Chief Shaves for letting me use this. I used the Christopher Bradley Karve in stainless steel with the SBD plate. Awesome, awesome shave. I also used the Mervyn Cadman with the 30mm V3 tip knot by Turn and Shave. And to finish off, I used the Declaration Grooming after the rain matching splash. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video today. If you're new around here and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd very much appreciate it. Apart from that, my name is Jack, your host from the Virtual Grooming. Wherever you are in the world, have a wonderful day, and goodbye for now.